Hello everyone, welcome to Chasing Adventures. And as you can see, I have a running board installed on my Rebel, so let's talk about it. Alright, so this is Rhino Dominator D6 running boards. And other than the obvious reasons why you would want a running board, and there are a ton of options when it comes to running boards, but I got the Dominator D6 because it offers combination of functionality, durability, and rugged styles while offering easy access to the vehicle, especially for someone with a family like me. It also provides a degree of side protection, acting as a barrier protecting the rocker panels from rock chips and minor impacts. And it'll somewhat prevent from getting door dings as well because the running board sticks out quite a bit and they'll hit the running boards before the door, so that's a big plus. And the D6 design incorporates a wide 6-inch step with the textured non-slip surface, making it suitable for various weather conditions and offering a stable platform to step in or out of the truck. Now, although they look like rock sliders, but since it's bolted onto the rocker panel and not to the frame, I wouldn't slide over rocks, but it's constructed from a durable material like carbon steel, so it's very tough and sturdy, and it features a textured black powder coat finish for corrosion resistance. Now, the retail price for these running boards is $607 plus tax plus shipping depending on where you purchase it from, which is a lot of money for something that's going to be stepped on every day and banged up. So I did some research and found a brand new unused mounting kit on eBay for $118 shipped, and slightly used running boards from throttle.com for $204 shipped to my door. So all in all, I got the running board for about half of the brand new ones. Sure, the running board has some scuff marks and some scratches, but again, it's going to be exposed to the elements and scratches and scuffing will happen anyways. Plus, I got entered to win a BMW M4 automatically just by shopping at Throttle, so wish me luck, guys. And to install these running boards, it should have been really easy. Just mount the mounting brackets to existing studs on the truck, slide the nut plates into the board, and tighten them down. But I think I know the reason why the board was returned. The opening for the nut plates to slide into the board is very tight, and it's impossible to slide them in. And I think what happened was that when they welded this supporting bar, it got warped. Because there was already a nut plate that came with the board, and they shaved some of the parts on the nut plate, and still I couldn't get these out. So I tried bending it back into shape with the hammer by hitting it and prying it, which it barely helped. So I just hammered it in and it went in. I mean, there's no way for me to get the nut plate out, but why would I, right? And maybe this was a bad batch or something, but for the money I saved compared to the brand new ones, I'm okay with it. And per the instructions, it's set to mount the mounting plates on the truck first, then line up the nut plate and bolt it on. But since the nut plates can slide around, I thought it would be easier to bolt the mounting plates to the board first and line it up with the factory studs and then put them on. And it was so much easier this way. And after that, making slight adjustments, it's simple as tightening all the nuts and bolts down. So, what do you guys think? I think it looks fantastic. And I loved how close the board is to the truck without any gaps in between. Also, the mounting brackets don't hang low or protrude out, so it won't get caught up on rocks or debris while I'm off-roading. And best of all, my wife now has easier time getting in and out of the truck, which was the main purpose why I got the running boards in the first place. But, I also wanted something that looked good, so I'm very happy that I went with the Dominator D6. And for the price I paid, I'm not complaining at all. Yes, I had to do some extra work in order to fit them, but saving a few bucks was definitely worth it. So if you've been looking for a running board for your truck, I highly recommend these. And you could also do some research too, so you could save some few bucks as well. So if you're interested, I'll leave the link in the video description for you guys. So that is all I have for you guys today. And if this video was helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and turn on the bell notification too so you won't miss when my next video is uploaded. So thank you all for tuning in today. Until next time, keep chasing adventures, and I'll see you all on my next video.